Hey everyone, hold your beautiful hair from behind and tie with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail. And with the last clip of the rubber band, create a lump and split the tail into two parts and have each of them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Then leave the remaining braid as such and have it secure with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the left side by splitting them into three parts and have it secure with another rubber band. Then bring the braids to the top and have it come across each other and have the tips underneath the lump and have it secure with a little rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hairpin, then pinch out the hair a little bit for boosting out the volume on top section of the hair. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then pinch out the hair on the band for boosting out the side. Then with the remaining section of the hair at the back, bring it together in the front and have it tied with the rubber band. Drop it inside for another twisted band. Then with the tails we have split them into parts and you know what to do. Braid it in a thicker manner and have the end secure with the rubber band and drop the tails end into the gap we created and have the band drop in your favorite hairpin. Hold your lovely hair from behind and make a ponytail out of it with the last clip of the rubber band, create a lump, and with the tail we have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part of it, then also stretch out the middle part and make it as a loop and drop the tail into it, making it as a twisted band. Then with the whole tail we have it come around the lump we created and have it secure underneath the lump and have the little hairpin. Then drop in your favorite hairpin from right to left and secure that in position. Then adjust the bun for volume. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside for a favorite twisted band. Then pinch out the hair in the pan for boosting out the volume. Then grab the sides of your hair from the back section and make it to the front and attach the rubber band to it and drop it inside for another twisted band. Then with the remaining tail we have a rubber band attached to it and drop the tail into it twice and pinch out the pan on that one as well. Then twist it, move 180 degrees to the left and have it on top and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Grab your hair from behind and make a lovely ponytail out of it. Then create a gap behind your ponytail using your finger and drop the tail into it from right to left and make it come down, tighten it a little bit and split them into two equal parts and have it braided across each other in a very thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with the rubber band. Fold the braid to half and move it to the top on the right side and have it in place by dropping little hairpin and secure it with lovely hair clutcher. Choose whatever designs you want depending on your fashion choice. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a twisted band. Then grab the sides of your hair from the back section and make it come to the front and have it combine in front of the first tail we have and combine with the rubber band and drop it inside to get another twisted band. Continue doing the same until you reach the bottom middle part of your hair and pinch out the hair a little bit for boosting out the volume. Then also decorate your lovely hairstyle by dropping favorite hair clutches on either side of the rubber band, covering it and making it beautified. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a twisted band. Then pinch out the pan a little bit for boosting out the volume again. Then with the section of the hair at the back, bring it to the front and have it attached to a rubber band and drop it inside for another twisted band. Then bring a lovely ribbon on top of your head and have it come behind your hair. Then have it braided in a very thicker manner along with your hair into three parts and do the braiding until you reach the bottom middle part of your hair. Then have it tied with a rubber band and also make a bow tie design out of it and leave the remaining hair as such. Try experimenting these lovely hairstyles. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then tighten it a little bit, then pinch out the hair on the twisted band and also on the top section of the hair. Then with the remaining tail we have, split them into three parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. Do the braiding from top to bottom and have the end secure with a rubber band. Then drop the tail into the first gap we created and have it secured there by dropping a little hairpin. Then of course choose one from your lovely hairpin collection and drop it on top of your bun. Then stretch the braid and also on the remaining section of the hair a little bit for boosting out the volume even more further.